Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and of course, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Okay. And if you have any question, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay. So these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with the next 1200. Okay, guys, this is Ganex 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, this actually started an uptrend right from this support region. We can see the yellow color. Okay, the indicator shows us the yellow color at this point, which means it's going on uptrend, and of course it has been buying since then, broke out above this resistance zone to get to this region. So it's been a very strong uptrend, and of course we are still expecting more of a buying opportunity, most especially once it breaks out from here. Okay, so this is very important. But if it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back on downtrend. Okay, so for now we're still expecting more buying opportunity right from there. So next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. Okay, so guys, this is GainX 999. Okay, this actually started a downtrend from here. It got to this support region, went back on uptrend, and of course was unable to go beyond this. So it started a downtrend, and of course it is selling at the moment. We'll be targeting this point. If it breaks out from there, then it should be targeting this point, and if it breaks out from there, then we should expect it to get to this region. Okay, so this is very important. So this is still selling at the moment. Okay, so we should take note of that. Next asset is going to be PNX 1200, still on 15-minute time frame, and I'm still using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. So this has been on downtrend, even though there are major pullbacks in between, but it has gotten to this support zone. It has not been able to break out from there, so it's trying to go back on uptrend right now, and that is why I drew out on this trend line. If it breaks out below this, then it's going to sell more, but for now it is still buying. Okay, so this is very important. So this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, most especially at the moment. Okay, then the next asset is going to be PNX 999. Let's check it out together. Okay, this actually was on downtrend right from this region, and it came to an end at the support zone. Right from there, it started an uptrend, and it bought till it got to this particular resistance zone. So right from there, it's trying to go back on downtrend. Okay, so if it sells, if it should sell below this, then definitely it's going to sell more. Okay, so we should take note of that. But if it does not, then it should go back on uptrend and see if it can break out above this particular region. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, let me highlight the region. Okay, so to see if it can break out above this. Okay, so this is very important, but for now it is still selling. Okay, so we should take note of that and have at the back of our mind that it can also buy if it's unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, so this is very important. So the next asset is going to be our FX volume 80. FX volume 80 started an uptrend right from here, got to this region, and had a pullback, went back up to break out above this resistance zone, and it is still very much on uptrend at this particular point. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.